Hello there everyone. Welcome to 1232 Alabama Street. We are right in the heart of the Mission. 24th Street is just about a half a block away. So we're going to go ahead and walk up these stairs. This is an absolutely fantastic Victorian. There's so much beautiful detailing here. If you're a fan of it like I am, you're going to be absolutely in love. So we're going to go ahead and we'll step on up. We've got another flight of stairs. And wait until you see these hardwood floors. There's so much beautiful detailing. So we're gonna go ahead and walk back on out. This is right over Alabama Street here. This is your great room. Like I said, check out these floors. The hay is just absolutely stunning. We still have the old fireplace here. It's been built in, but and if you're interested in a lot of the old detailings, there are still these old rondelles, which are absolutely fantastic. I love them. So we're just gonna take a little walk. We've got the church right across the street. There's a school just nearby as well. Go ahead, this goes ahead and leads on into another room. So this would be the dining room. We've got nice pocket doors here if you want to close this off and just be able to use it as another room. I like it as a dining room, though. It's just so beautiful. Never want to cover up these floors. And then we'll go ahead, we've got one room here at the front as well. So this also overlooks Alabama. Again, lovely, lovely detailing. It's all been repainted. We've got this gorgeous chandelier, another set of rondelles, classic Victorian feature. Go back on down the hallway, pop into the other bedroom. We'll step on into the bedroom first. Nice, big, huge guest room, huge, huge windows here. Lots and lots of space. Beautiful floors as well. We got another gorgeous chandelier, another rondelle on the ceiling. Nice closet space, lots and lots of room, lots of light as well. We'll go ahead and peek on into the bathroom here. Big, huge stand-up shower. We've got some cabinetry at the side here, and then we've got our sink tucked away in the corner. Nice size bathroom. And then another fantastic feature, absolutely amazing, redone kitchen. Just take a second to look exactly how big this kitchen is and how much light there is. Lots and lots of cabinetry here. We do also have a nice big walk-in pantry. Just in case you didn't think there was enough space, there's more. And then we've got big, huge refrigerator here, gas stove. We've got a washer dryer over in the corner and a dishwasher. Definitely enough space here to have a really nice big dining room table. So if you wanted to use that dining room for other space, that's available. And then we're gonna go ahead and we'll peek on out. There's a little tiny deck here that circles all the way on down towards the ground, and a little bit of space for you. And just to finish this up, we'll try not to get blinded by the sun, but if you can peek there just over the hill, we have a view of Sutro Tower. So thank you so much for coming and joining us. This is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful place. There's so much fantastic detailing in here. Absolute gem. And so much to do around the neighborhood. Like I said, you're just close off of 24th. Lots and lots of restaurants. Pursuit Park, Bernal Hill, all very, very close. Super duper close to 280 and 101. Big, huge point in your favor if you need to travel. So we'll just take one more look into the great room, because it's just so pretty. So thank you so much for enjoying this. Hope to see you here soon. I can imagine this as being an absolutely fantastic home. Thanks so much, bye-bye.